So in today's video, I'm doing another wig review for you guys. This one is another Friday night hair unit. As you can see, this unit is the GLS73 in the color RB35, and you know, of course, the cards always just look the same, so you know, not really much going on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this review. Or actually, you know what, let's start with the styling portion just so y'all can see what the wig looked like when I first got it out of the box and what it looks like now. So for the most part, it pretty much looks the same. It's not really that different. The only thing I really did was tried my best to do a little bit of baby hair. You know, I tried. Okay, you guys, are y'all proud of me? Because like, I really tried. Like, I was like, you know what, I feel like this unit is like all red from the root to the tip, so I might need a little bit of baby hairs because my edges like to, you know, peek through. Like, they fall so forward onto my face. So like, I don't know, like, I just feel like I would have needed baby hairs with this unit for it to look decent, with the way that I wanted to wear it, which is, you know, how I have it now. Just, you know, the little side part. I could do a middle part and be fine, but I'm tired of middle parts right now. I mean, I haven't had one in a while, but like, still, I just really love the side part look, especially with like this type of like wave curled hairstyle. So, you know, I was just kind of like, yeah, let's just, you know, go ahead and do some baby hairs. Now obviously I didn't do like a whole lot. I'm taking it slow. I'm trying to, you know, slowly get to the habit or routine, or, you know, just figure out exactly it is that I like to do and what I like to go for. So yeah, I basically just did baby hairs on the right side to cover up my edges a little bit. I still can probably do it a little bit better than what I got going on right now, just because like right here you can see, but that's only because I don't have my blow dryer next to me right now, and I kind of just really wanted to record this video. So maybe, you know, the next time I put this wig on, I will be in an area where I can actually do that, but on the side of my room I really can't. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all for the styling portion. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? It was, you know, I didn't do nothing too crazy. I really didn't even I seen what it looked like in a middle part, and y'all will see it too. And it has maybe 2.5 inches of parting space, and then it, you know, hits where the tracks start. So I mean, you know, it's a decent amount of parting space, especially for like a Friday night hair unit. A lot of Friday night hair units don't really have a lot of parting space because most of their units, they want you to do the flip over method. But I figured, you know, or, you know, they seen that with this unit it could be a good middle part wig as well. So they were just like, you know what, let's give you, you know, an extra inch or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the style portion. So let's get into my thoughts on this wig. The style of this wig, y'all already know. I like me a good wavy curled looking unit, like, you know, someone used a barrel curling iron, curled it, flip over, you know, laid them edges down. I love this look on me. Like, I just think that it looks so good. It's very flattering to my face. So, you know, I really like this whole style. I mean, I really have nothing negative to say about the style. I like how the hairs are in the front. Like, the hairline really is pretty good. I mean, it's still pretty straight, and if you have more patience than I do, then you would pluck it and, you know, do a bunch of crazy stuff to it. But the first Friday night hair, or the first Friday night hair wig that I had, I plucked it and, you know, did some stuff, and the lace ripped on me when I did that. So I really personally don't really want to do that because I know that I'm really not that good at it. But I mean, you know, I could also add baby hairs throughout the whole hairline, but honestly, I'm just gonna stick to what I got right now because I kind of like the way it looks. I don't really feel like I need to do anything extra. I feel like this is fine, so I'm gonna stick with this. Let's talk about the shedding. So the hair does shed. I didn't do any layering or anything for it to be shedding. So this is the natural shedding that the wig has, and I don't really see it stop shedding. Like, I know that, you know, there are some wigs that just shed when you first get it, because like when you cut off the lace and then, you know, you get all the extra little hairs and stuff that's just, you know, starting to fall out. But I do think that this wig will still be a shedder just because it's so much hair and it's really long. It's about 26 inches, I want to say. But yeah, I do think that this wig is going to be a little shedder. You know, she's going to, you know, cause some of that to happen. Tangling, the wig tangles a little bit, you know what I'm saying, so I can see it getting worse. Again, the wig is like 26 inches. It's very long, so I mean, I really didn't expect anything different. I definitely think that, you know, this will, you know, tangle a lot, so you really got to keep your hands out of it, away from it. Don't touch it throughout the day unless you go to the bathroom and you want to brush it, just, you know, kind of get it together. But for the most part, keep your hands out of the hair. The density, so it is a very thick wig. Okay, so in the like dome of the wig, it doesn't really appear to be that thick, which is pretty good. Like, that's very good, because it's not like super crowded up here. Like, it's not very voluminous in the roots, I would say. Like, it lays pretty flat. And it's sort of silky almost, but not like a bad silky. Like, it's definitely not yucky at all, but I don't know, I feel like this isn't the silkiest wig, and it's really good in that sense. So I mean, I really like it. It definitely just, it lays down toward the body, and like the end, it's very thick. Like, that's a lot of hair. That is a lot of hair. Let me see, let me get my brush and brush it. See, and as much as like I think that it's gonna tangle, it doesn't brush out bad at all. But obviously, you know, this is pretty much fresh out the back, so that could just be now. What this also reminds me of is more Jada's hair when she had like red hair and she had like her little baby hairs or whatever. I think she had more baby hairs. Yeah, I think she might have had more baby hairs, and it's just really pretty. Like, I just really like that. I like whenever she colors her hair, but like, I just really love this. Red is one of my favorite colors to wear on my head, so I was really excited when I seen this wig. I seen a few reviews on this wig. I seen people straightening this wig, and you know, I don't know if I'm gonna do that, just because I really like this whole style. I wear it a lot. Maybe, possibly. I might even, you know, curl it or something later on down the line, or cut it, or, you know, do something to it just so I can keep wearing it, because I really like the way that it looks right now. And, you know, looking at it, I'm really like, okay, I see. I may actually layer toward the inside a little bit just so it doesn't tangle as much, because I do want to wear this to work. I want to wear it out. I want to, you know, go out and be seen in this wig. I don't want it to just be like a video thing, because I think that it's really cute. Like, I like it. So yeah, I think it goes really good with the shirt that I wore, so that too. That is pretty much it for this wig review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if y'all have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Make sure y'all check out Friday Night Hair. Y'all already know, you know, they got a lot of really good sort of everyday-ish wigs, or even like go out wigs. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.